back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 1st to the 4th of July 2025 on Monday or Tuesday. Nkosi tracks Faith's car to a field where Sizwe's body may be, and they plan to search it. Meanwhile, Lucas doubts Mampo's motives and she storms out on Wednesday. Nkosi lies to Faith about a deal while searching for Sizwe's body, and he and Ona find the charred remains. Soka urges Mampo to meet Lucas on Thursday. Nkosi and Ona find a witness to the body disposal, but he flees. Nkosi plans to track him down, but Ona fears the risk and wants to quit on Friday. Faith questions Nkosi about his deal, raising Msisi's suspicions. Ona and Nkosi find Mfihlakalo, who confirms seeing Faith and Msisi dispose of Sizwe's body. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your